It was a bright and breezy morning in the jungle. Everything was peaceful until suddenly... Whoa, what was that? From behind the grass, two little heads popped up. It was Zara the zebra and Leo the lion cub. Leo leaned forward and whispered, "Was that Ellie? Sounds like someone needs a tissue." Oh, poor Ellie. She was a little embarrassed. But guess who came swinging in? It's Dr. Monkey. He landed right next to Ellie with a smile and said, "Let's check that sneezy trunk."
Party time in the trunk!
Oh no! Inside Ellie's trunk, mischievous little germs were bouncing on bubbles. No wonder Ellie kept sneezing. Zara stepped forward and handed Ellie a big, soft handkerchief. Hooray! Ellie felt all better. They had a jungle party to celebrate health and friendship.
Always cover your sneeze and wash your trunk.